Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you send and receive Robux in Roblox this 2023. So without further ado, let's get right into it guys. So this is very possible guys. So the first thing to do is go ahead and on the Roblox website, go ahead and click on create. It will redirect you to the Roblox create website, creator.roblox.com. So all you need to do here is go over to dashboard. So this will be on the receiver's end, guys. So once you are here, you should see a default experience here. But if you are, uh, for some reason, you're not showing this one on your end, so all you have to do is create the experience. So for me, I'll just click on that. And for this one, all you have to do is go over to the associated items here and go over to the passes here. So how this works guys is basically you put a pass for sale, so for example this one, and all you have to do is copy the URL and send the URL to the person who is sending the Roblox to you. So for if you don't have a pass yet, so let's create a pass here, and you can have an image here that is easy to do. So all you have to do here is name it. So you can name it whatever you want. So for example, Roblox. And for example, 50 right there. For example, so create pass. So here is the pass. So on the receiver's end, we have to put a price on this pass. So for this to work, you have to just click on that. And let's go over to sales here. And you just have to enable the item for sale and type in the Robux amount that you want. So keep in mind, guys, that you Roblox will deduct your Robux once you receive it. There is a tax, so you will receive 35 once it is sold or once the sender has sent you a Robux. So just save the changes here. So there, so all you need to do is go ahead and let's go back to Roblox. So alternatively guys, so we can get the uh, this one, the pass link, so the on the passes. So all you have to do is go to the three dots and copy URL. So this is the first way. The second way guys, go over to profile, go over to creations here. So just select the experience, go over to store, and you should see your Roblox here. So all you have to do is click on that, the Roblox pass, and all you have to do is copy this link and paste it to your sender, and they should buy the Roblox here, the depending on what amount, and you should receive the Roblox right away. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can send and receive Robux in Roblox this 2023. So thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.